If you're not making money off social media in 2025, what are you doing? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doki. Welcome to the self-care family. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Also hit the bell button to get notified every single time I make a new upload. This is how you get monetized if you're living in Nigeria and you want to become a YouTuber. First things first, you have to open a YouTube channel. And how do you do that? If you already have an existing Google account or a Gmail, the only thing you need to do is to go and do a verification of your account. What does that mean? Go to your Google manager and do a 2x2 authentication, verifying that that account wants to utilize it on YouTube. That is my simplest explanation of how to open a YouTube channel. Once that is done, you can start uploading. Note that it is very important to niche down. You've heard it on different social media platforms, niche down, and you really do not understand what that means. It means picking up a particular niche that you would prefer to show to your audience. It might be in travel, it might be in finance, it might be in education, it might be in beauty, skincare, it might be lifestyle. Just pick a particular niche that you want to focus on and just focus solely on it. Then also make that niche part of yourself where you can also express yourself in that niche, because in this present day and time, people are already used to wanting to fall in love with a particular content creator, not just because of what they are offering to them, but because they have a very warm personality. So make sure that you have a niche. The niche might even be yourself. This is mostly seen among lifestyle vloggers where they make their personality their niche. So people who come to their page always come to see what they are eating, what they are doing, where they are going, what's literally everything about themselves. So they make themselves their niche. Now once you've done that, now post your first video. Remember, it is very important that your thumbnail has good quality enough that when people see, they would want to click on it. It is very important to grow a community or an audience and also post quality content. Why do I say it is very important to grow an audience? Because it is that community that is going to give you the numbers that you need to be able to get monetized. Now let's come down to the YouTube requirements. It is expected that before you become a YouTube partner that you're supposed to reach 500 subscribers and 3,000 viewers. I know this is not what every other person must have told you, oh, but they said, hold on, I'm coming to that. Now for you to be a YouTube partner, it means that you can make money off live streaming, you can make money off super thanks, you can make money off selling products on YouTube, you can make money off other features on YouTube, even when you are just a YouTube partner and you're not yet monetized. It's now left for you if you want to sign up for the YouTube partnership program. I know a lot of people will tell you, oh, wait till when you get to 1,000 subscribers so you don't make any mistake, but just be careful. Just be careful. Once you're careful in signing up, there is no need expecting any sort of mistake when trying to apply for YouTube partnership. It took me literally 1.5 years for me to first get my YouTube partnership program, and after I got my YouTube partnership program, it took me 3 more months for me to get monetized. So I kept being consistent, and immediately I got monetized. This is where the real deal comes in. The requirement for getting monetized is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 viewers. And I know when you're looking at it, you'll be like, well, when am I going to create content that will be able to hit 4,000 viewers? You'll be surprised how YouTube works. One day one video goes viral and all of a sudden you're cashing out on YouTube. Trust me, it's a fact. Now once you hit your 1000 subscribers and your 4000 view hours and you're ready to get monetized, YouTube is going to send you a mail for you to sign up for Google AdSense. Now this is the time where you are fully ready for Google AdSense. There you can also fill your name, your address, yada yada yada. Again, I will also tell you, please, when you're filling in those information, wherever they are requesting for an alternative address aside from the first address that you have already added, please put your phone number here, because here in Nigeria the post office system is whack and it's very difficult to contact people. Now once you sign up for Google AdSense, they will send you another mail so that you verify your identity. Now put in your name. This is how it's going to look like. So put in your name, put in your house address. On the second alternative address, please put in your phone number. Then put in your suburban area, put in your states, and put in Nigeria, because obviously you're trying to monetize from Nigeria. Do you get what I mean? For example, I'm living in Lagos. Put in my address, put in my phone number, put in my suburban area, which is like, probably, let me take for example, it might be Ikeja, it might be Etiosa, it might be Badagry, it might be like, depending on where you are, you just put in your suburban area, put in your postal code, and put in the states. After filling in your identification, they will also require you to send in a verified or an authentic ID, which might be your passport, your voter's card, your NIN, etc, etc. Just a mode to verify that you are not a robot but you are an actual human being. So once that is done, YouTube is going to send you a mail indicating that they are going to send you your PIN. This is supposed to take within 2 weeks to 1 month, but it's usually between 2 weeks. Now when they send it to you, because you have added your phone number as an alternative address as opposed to an actual address, when this mail comes in, the people at the post office is going to see your number. I don't want to show my identity, however, this is how it's going to look like. And so they are going to see your phone number just in front here, and so they are going to they will give you a call. Most of them, the nice ones, will give you a call or send you a message indicating that you have a mail from YouTube. This is how easy I was able to get my PIN mailer. It didn't take me 1 week. Immediately this PIN mailer came into Nigeria, that same day, the person at the post office quickly called me and said, oh, you have so and so. All I needed to do is, okay, because of the stress you went through calling me, even though like low-key is actually your people's job, but the fact that you actually took out your time to call me to tell me, oh, come and pick up, blah 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 blah, or even went an extra mile to help me like give my mailer to a dispatch rider to bring to me because my location was so far from his. You know, I just gave him something as a sign of gratitude, because this actually means a whole lot to me, and I'm sure it means a whole lot to you too. So after getting this PIN, I went to the last mail that I received. I clicked on verify address and I added this PIN, and immediately I added this PIN, a mail was sent to me from YouTube/Google AdSense, which indicated that I am successfully monetized and I can now make money. Now let's quickly go back to the verification of address. Before you are asked to verify your address, there is a need for you to make at least $10 before you are sent a mailer. I don't know if you understand what I mean. It's also important that you put your payment information. This means you need to have a dollar account. Okay, now personally I didn't have a dollar account when I got monetized on YouTube, so like I really wasn't in a hurry to like put in my payment information, but at the end of the day I still did that. what I did was, since I hadn't even reached the threshold of being paid, I just left it, kept posting my videos, so that whenever the money reaches to the threshold, I can start doing the whole dollar thing. So I don't need to start looking for where to buy dollar in a very high price, this one, that one. The dollar will just like drop into my account. There are a couple of banks that have been deemed notable. Personally, I chose Access Bank because I already have an account with them, so it's very easy for me to like get a dollar account with Access Bank. All I needed to do was to provide a proper identification card, which I used my passport, and then I already have an account there, which is also a requirement. And then I needed 2 referral, which my account manager helped me in handling all of that. And within a couple of days, voila, I had a dollar account. Then I went to my AdSense tab and I tapped payments information and put in all my details, which is, you're supposed to put in your bank name, your name, that is the beneficiary name. Then there's this other thing like your Swift, I think your Swift code, your Swift biz code. So every single bank in Nigeria has their own Swift code or something. So I just went and I collected Access Bank Swift code and put into the Swift code tab, and voila, it was accepted, and a mail was sent to me that my payment information has been verified, and I needed to verify my tax information. Now I'm going to make a dedicated video talking about how to open or how to get a tax information, because I mean, we are in Nigeria and tax, you get what I mean. Okay, so I'll make a dedicated video telling you how to get a tax information. However, I was able to like follow a little bit of guideline I saw on the internet, and I put in my details, and I was able to get like a tax information, which was finally verified by YouTube. And a mail was sent to me after 2 days indicating that they have sent me my monthly paycheck into my dollar account. Like, I was dancing when I got out, like, I am making money off YouTube. No, you guys. I was literally screaming because like it's super exciting, to be honest. So they sent me a mail indicating that they have sent me my paycheck. However, if the paycheck does not reflect between 5 business working days, I should contact my bank. So I didn't allow it to reach like 5 business. I'm like, please just give me my money. I think for the most part I have concluded most of the things that might be like a lingering question when you are trying to like get monetized on YouTube. However, if you think that I didn't cover a certain thing, please leave a comment on the comment section. I'll definitely give you guys a full brief on what I didn't cover here, or I'll just make another follow-up video. I hope you find this video very insightful, because I mean, why are you not making money? Why are you not making money, for crying out loud? YouTube is your best friend, honestly. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Also hit the bell button to get notified every single time I make a new upload. Again, I do everything skincare, beauty and vlog. With that out of the way, I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah!